up, guys? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care Service. Please like and subscribe to my videos because it's very difficult to do the videos and nobody watched them. But however, I'm back. What I mean I'm back? Okay, I'm here. All right, check it out. So what I'm doing in this video, I'm going to show you my strategy for, or at least one strategy for marketing for the 2018 cut season. And where I got this strategy from, I got it from Spencer Lawn Care. You know, check him out on his channel. Guy got a lot of information, plus he's pretty hilarious as well. So what it is that what I'm doing in my marketing that I got from the guy, basically the bandit signs. The bandit signs is something that I hadn't used in the past, but I am going to use it this year to see how it works. So here's some of the bandit signs I got. So this bandit sign just basically say, you know, quick cuts, there go my number, affordable lawn care. My wife said I should have probably put premium lawn care, but I think affordable is good. So what I basically got is an order from UZ Marketing. And basically they give you a whole box, man. You get 100 of these things. It's not 100, it's 99. And basically, got 99 in the box. And then you need the little railing to go with it, right here. You need that. And you put them together, and voila, that's what you got. You got your little bandit sign. So, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do with that. My plans is wherever I have like a community that I know that I'm cutting, I'm gonna put those bandit signs along that street. Now I know I can't put it in communities that says no soliciting, and dang sure I'm not gonna put it in a community like right as people going out of the community. They'll get you for that. However, I'm gonna put it on the side road. The whole point is to put a brand in their head, so when they think of lawn care, voila, they think of your lawn care service. That's right. And then they'll call you. So that's just one of my marketing tips that I'm going to use this summer. So what should I say, starting this spring for the 2018 cut season. So what are some of you guys' strategies? Share, you know, give us a tip. And anybody who's new in the lawn care business, let me know. I would like to, you know, at least subscribe to your channel and do the same for me so we can grow together. This is only going to be my second year cutting, but I'm excited about it because ain't nothing like working hard for yourself, okay? So I ask that, you know, you go ahead and subscribe, and like, I can't say that word, subscribe. I said subscribe and like my video, okay? And I'll do the same for you. All right, can't wait to see some of your comments down at the bottom. Tell me what you're doing for the 2018 cut season. And hey, check this out. You need to get ready now. Now's the time to get ready because you want to be ready to go come spring, early spring. All right, thanks for watching.